Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we create a simple model inside ONSHAPE for beginners, right? So let's get started. I want to go for the sketch. You need to define a sketch plane, make it normal, switch off the datum planes. I will go for a center point rectangle like this. Now pick the dimension tool. This is 120 and this one is 60. Right click and go for isometric. Select the region and define it 2 inches or 5 inches. Oh, that's great for me, right? I'm gonna go for a sketch, choose this top surface and make it normal, and go for a corner rectangle starting from somewhere here like this. Go for smart dimension and define this one 20. I wanna hit OK. Go for isometry and define it 12 or 50. I wanna hit OK. Right now I will go for the fillet. Define this edge and this edge, define it 30 and I wanna hit OK. See? Now I'll go for the chamfer, choose this edge and this edge, define it 12, press enter and hit enter. See? Rotate your object by just press the right click and rotate your mouse, right? Now go for construct a plane, mid plane, and choose the opposite faces. Plane is there. Wanna go for the sketch and make it normal. Wanna go for a line and starting from somewhere here like this and like this. And let me just do one thing. Want to go for coincident weight, make it coincident and make both these points coincident, also this point and this point. Once you make them coincident, I want to hit OK and go for the plane and hide it. When I go for the extrude, see, when I go for the symmetry, define it 12, click somewhere here and I want to hit OK. Right click and go for isometric. That's fine for me. This is how you can create simple models inside ONSHAPE. Thanks for watching.